Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Justice Manu Akwa, and today um, we are going to do a church flyer. Yeah, church flyer. But before we start, I want you to do me a favor: subscribe to the YouTube channel and be part of this awesome family. Without much further ado, let's get started. Now, what you have to do right now is create a page for your flyer. Okay, so you go to File, New, and I'm using 20 by 20 by 20. Tap create. Okay, so here we go. We have our page. So I'll go directly to, I'm actually using a new picture. Okay, so I'll go directly to where I can get my pictures. Okay, so let me go here. This is what I did, but unfortunately this one I did not create a tutorial, but I'm definitely going to create a tutorials about that. I'm going to use these two pictures right here. Okay, this one and this one. These two pictures right here. Okay, so these are the pictures I'm going to use for the design. Okay, these are the two pictures I'm going to use for the design. It seems this picture didn't rub it well, so I need to rub it very well. This one too. Okay, guess I made a mistake, so I'm actually clearing the end so that it's going to fix the background. Okay, to definitely fix the background like that. Okay, so what I will do right now is we are going to create a background which there is this background. I love it, this one. Okay, so I'm going to use okay, so I'm going to increase the size right here like that, and I'm going to divide it into two. So let's do it this way. Okay, let me use this one. What do I have to? Okay, let me use laser tool to divide. Okay, so I'm going to divide. No, cut and paste. Okay, so the just has to come to the top. The picture needs to come to the top right here. So I'm going to place this one in here like that, and this one too right here. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to make sure the white, so I'm going to use rectangle tool like that, and make sure I'll change the color to I have to use gradient, so I'll go to gradient and then use gradient. Okay, so I'm going to use gradient for this one. See how it's going to be like. Alright, so first I'm going to rotate it. Okay, so that's the rotation, and let's see the color. Alright, let's see the color. Still you can see the sharpness of I don't want us to see the sharpness. Okay, you don't have to see the sharpness of the. So what do we do? Let's maintain that and create a layer mask. Take your brush tool and clear here. Okay, and let's do this one to this one. Let's do the same thing to this one. Okay, so I guess this is okay, right? Simple. Now let me create a background which we are going to use for to create this one. Go for brush tool, increase the size, and then place it right there. Okay, so this is how it's going to be like creating your background for. Okay, so now I'm going to position them right here like this. I don't know how to. Okay, this one too sounds good. Okay, now let me bring in this sign. It's actually a night praise. A night praise. So a night praise like that. Okay. I'm going to show you how I was able to come up with this. So okay, so a night praise, and then let's go for this day right here. Okay, okay, so let's go for the date in here like this. Place it somewhere here. Okay. The name of the font is Montserrat, so that is the name of the font I use, so you can check that out, download it. Alright, so let's go for the date and the time right here. I'm going to change. Let's change it to this one and see how it's going to be like. Okay, this one is, I guess it's okay. All right. Guess it's okay. So let's bring in the church logo. Church name and the logo right here, like that. Okay, so here we go. This is very simple but very nice. Okay, so here we go. Let me adjust the name a little bit. Okay, so let me bring in their name. Okay, let me bring in their name. So this one name is right here. Name comes here, right? Like that. And the name too will come in here. The name right here. Okay. Guess I lock it, so I need to lock them. I need to unlock them and come out. It's here. Okay. So I'm going to lock it, bring it right here. Okay, so going to bring in like that. So you need to watch this carefully, alright? You need to watch this carefully. Like this. Then let me decrease the size a little bit. Like that. Okay, so let me increase this one little bit. Okay, so I don't know what you suggest. Okay, so does you increase it or decrease it? Yeah, your suggestions will help us to continue. All right, so thank you very much, and please, whatever you don't understand in this tutorials, just let me know. Okay, and we are all going to find ways and means to understand it carefully. All right, my name is Mr. J. My name is Justice, and this is Mr. J Graphics. Do me a favor and subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next video. I'm going to teach you how I was able to come out with this night sprays. Then I'm going to make a tutorials about that, so watch out. Love you all, and see you in my next video. Bye.